Hey, I'm Michael Martin with the Lake Company. Welcome to my January 2009 Lake Keowee video blog. If you're joining me for the first time, great to have you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's informative. If you've watched my videos before, I'm going to bring you up to speed on where we were in 2009 and kind of what I see as we move into 2010. Let me give you some updates on inventory. At the end of December 09, we had 450 waterfront lots for sale on the lake, and we've maintained that number basically throughout the summer to the end of the year. We had 42 lot sales, waterfront lot sales in 2009. 2008 we had 51, so we were kind of down about 9 lots from 2008. On the waterfront homes, we had 235 available at the end of December. 84 waterfront home sales for 2009 and 69 in 2008. So those waterfront homes, we had some quality homes that were sold in the $500,000 to $700,000 price point, and we had some price corrections. So buyers came in and said, hey, you know, pretty good opportunities in the $500 to $700 price point. A good many of those sold, so that brought those numbers up. We had a few short sales and a few foreclosures, and that helped out too. So we finished kind of strong there at the end of 2009. Interior lots, 445 available, 43 sold in 2009, and in 2008 we had 60 interior lots sold. And interior homes, 180 available at the end of 2009, 67 sold, and we had 63 sell in 2008. So those numbers up again a little bit in the home situation also. You know, talking about the home sales jumping up in 2009, one thing we need to notice here about the home sales, that they did increase in price corrections. We actually dropped our waterfront average sale price on waterfront homes back in 08 was about $830,000 to $840,000 average sale price in 08. With those price corrections and the increased prices, increased sales in 2009 on the homes, our average sale price was $674,000 in 2009. So you can see there that with the price corrections, people said there's some good buying opportunities. So our average sale price came down, but then again, our total amount of homes sold increased over 2008. So, you know, from the waterfront lot sales, those lots came down in price about $70,000 over 08. 08, our average sale price was about $466, and 09 it was about $396. So I continue to see that we're going to see some price corrections in our waterfront lots as we move into 2010, simply because we have about 450 lots for sale. Now, actually, as of today's January the 5th, the first week here in January, we've got under 400 lots for sale on the lake, but the only reason is because you know, it was the end of the quarter in 09 and end of the year, and a lot of those listings expired, but those will be coming back into the marketplace here pretty soon. So I quickly see those numbers jumping back over 400 as available waterfront lots. Let's talk also about what we've done in the past. Let's look at waterfront home sales all the way back to 05. As mentioned, we had 84 waterfront home sales in 09, 69 in 08, 88 in 07, 108 in 06, and 139 in 05. Waterfront lots, we had, as mentioned, 42 in 09, 51 in 08, 124 in 07, 228 in 06, and almost 400 waterfront lot sales in 05. So we've gone from almost 400 down to 42 from 2005 to 2009. So we've got a lot of inventory on the market, and as we move into 2010, I think we're going to continue to see some price corrections on the lots. So if we want to move some inventory here at the lake, we're going to have to definitely do some price corrections. So if you're a buyer out there, I think 2010 is still going to be a great buying opportunity for you. So if you're interested in, you've looked at property here before, if you've been on my website, or might be interested in Lake Keowee, pick up the phone and call me or email me, because 2010, I think with the amount of inventory, we're still going to have a good bit of lots available that's going to be picked up at a quality pricing. And talking about pricing, I mean, we sold a good bit of our lots in 2009 in the 200 to 275 to 300 price point. So in 2010, you know, people say, you know, Michael, you know, what's the bottom? You know, I can't predict that. I'm here to just kind of help and lead you and guide you, being an agent who does nothing but specialize here on Lake Keowee. But I can tell you from the sales in 09, between 200 and 300 was a pretty good bit of sales. That right there tells me as we move into 2010, that's going to be probably the price point still to pick up a quality lot in 2010. I don't see our lot sales here on the lake falling down ever below $200,000. You know, the quality of the lake, people still wanting to come to Lake Keowee, what Lake Keowee has to offer, the communities that are on the lake. I still see our price points in a quality waterfront lot with deep water, even in a cove, still being above $200,000. So if you can find a quality lot between $250, $275, even in 2010, in my opinion, that's still going to be a buy. So I think it's a great opportunity for you. You know, home sales, I still think as we move into 2010, even though our inventory is up, I think good buys are still going to be in that $500,000 to $700,000 price point. Majority of our sales in 09 were in that price point, and I really think as we move into 010, we're going to be about the same. So you know, people ask me, you know, what do you think is going to happen in 010? I'm very optimistic in 010. I think we're still going to have some price corrections on our waterfront lots simply because we have so much inventory. We're going to have to get some price corrections on our interior lots also because we just got a ton of inventory out there. Our home sales, less inventory, but you know, based upon the economy, what might happen, people are uncertain, buyers are uncertain about health care, they're uncertain about whether they need to even have a second home or not, or own a piece of property at the lake. It's just a lot of uncertainty out there in a buyer's mind as to what they want to do moving forward in 2010. You know, the banks still requiring that 25 to 30% down. That's still hurting us because it takes so much money now. If you want to buy, you know, a $200,000 lot, you're going to have about $60,000 out of your pocket just to come to closing. So, but then again, like I said, I'm very optimistic about 2010. I think we'll still have a good year here at the lake. It's a great opportunity if you're a buyer, if you're a seller. As always, I need to talk to you to make sure that we have the property priced correctly, because if you price your property correctly, there's a good chance that your property is definitely going to sell in 2010 because the buyers are looking for property that is priced correctly in the marketplace. So as always, thanks for joining me for my 2010 Lake Keowee blog for the January. I look forward to seeing you in February. I hope you have a great month, and we'll see you about 30 days from today. Thank you.